What an epic day. These are called Beehive tombs. They are from the Bronze Age. So apparently they date from 3300 BC to 1200 BC. So I'm gonna find somewhere to camp up here near the tombs. Preferably without fresh bones laying around. For something that is, well, over 5,000 years old now, they're looking not too bad, to tell you the truth. They might be. So let's have a look inside. Right, who's going first? Nah, sorry, I'll go second. That's what it looks like. You know, from this angle, this tomb looks more like a pizza oven. Maybe the archaeologists have got it all wrong. So this is second site of the Beehive tombs. And I'll say it's a pretty accommodating camping area. So I'm going to stay here tonight. At least there's no fresh bones around, so that's kind of a result as far as I'm concerned. To admit, it's going to be a bit spooky here tonight, by myself, quite literally in the middle of nowhere. I've seen 2 cars, passed a couple of villages. To tell you the truth, I wouldn't mind a wingman, to help me out. I think it'll be all right. I mean, what could go wrong? Black magic, tombs, necropolis. Did you mention the word haunted? I don't think so. Anyway, listen, man up, you'll be all right. I'm more worried about the scorpions and the freaking spiders. I'll tell you that I've seen some of the biggest spiders and scorpions I've ever seen in my life in Oman. And so whatever comes out of these things, I don't know, we'll have to deal with it. Who's staring at who, Mr. Donkey?
Good morning. Well, I survived. The boogeyman didn't come and take me away. Maybe it only happens on full moons.